Welcome to another episode of Drive With Me. In today's episode, I, Artsy, your self-professed tour guide, decided to record this journey to ATL. That's what we call the Bogue City Center, the plaza that's not really at the center of the city. The purpose of this video, however, is not simply to show you the drive, but to point out some interesting spots on this particular journey, giving you some additional information about these spots. We took an alternate route today, starting at Westgate Shopping Center and taking the Dr. Marco Brown Road I showed you a few videos ago. And if your memory is as sketchy as mine, here is a little snippet of that video. Good. Great. I was delinquent, however, and totally forgot that I needed to be filming, so we might have missed a few bushes on the way. My dad called shotgun, so I'm filming from the back today. I know I'm only showing one side of the road, but we will get to the left side on our way back. That road takes you to Tucker Irwin. Now, this building is the headquarters of Vistaprint Jamaica Limited. It was completed in around 2012. It is a 92,000 square foot facility estimated to have cost approximately US $25 million and is situated in the Barnett Technology Park. Vistaprint was originally located in the Free Zone area. They had to relocate because they exhausted that space and needed a bigger facility. Here we have a lovely view of the Pye River Cemetery. The Pye River Cemetery is a public burial ground managed by the St. James Municipal Corporation. As the name suggests, it is close to a small river called Pye River. The cemetery is said to be nearing capacity. In around 2004, the St. James Parish Council spent approximately $250,000 to refurbish the graveyard, repainting walls and gates, creating flower gardens, and bushing the overgrown areas. Now, that mass of water is the Bogue Sewage Pond. Yes, a sewage treatment pond right in the middle of new commercial and residential developments. The demand for commercial space is on the rise in Montego Bay, and with that in mind, any well-thinking Montegonian would agree that the placement of that Bogue Sewage Pond is unfortunate. From my previous videos, you should know by now that over on that side is the Fairview Shopping Complex. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.